Hey everyone, welcome to our video, how to remove dog smell from your vacuum cleaner. If you're struggling with an unpleasant odor coming from your vacuum cleaner due to pet hair and dander, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will share 5 simple and effective methods to help you get rid of that dog smell and keep your vacuum cleaner smelling fresh. Let's dive in. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Empty and clean the dustbin. The first step in eliminating dog smell from your vacuum cleaner is to empty and clean the dustbin or bag. Over time, pet hair and debris can accumulate, leading to a lingering odor. Empty the dustbin or replace the bag according to the manufacturer's instructions. Use mild soap and warm water to thoroughly clean the bin or bag, removing any trapped hair and residue. Allow it to dry completely before reassembling your vacuum cleaner. Clean or replace the filters. Filters play a crucial role in trapping dust, allergens, and odors. For pet owners, it's essential to clean or replace the filters regularly. Consult your vacuum cleaner's manual to locate the filters and follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning or replacing them. Cleaning the filters will help remove trapped pet hair and odor-causing particles, ensuring optimal performance and a fresh-smelling vacuum cleaner. Use baking soda. Baking soda is a powerful natural deodorizer that can help eliminate dog smell from your vacuum cleaner. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda onto the carpet or floor, ensuring it covers the areas your vacuum cleaner will pass over. Allow the baking soda to sit for at least 30 minutes, giving it time to absorb any unpleasant odors. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.